Figured I'd make a video. One of my neighbors just went. He's going to work. I don't know. I don't think any job's worth. They basically telling everybody not even to bother. They're barely plowing. They went by once. As you can tell, here's what we plowed. Well, Dad plowed. And you can see the rest. You can see where I've been driving through with the tractor. Actually, Dad plowed this, it looks like. So, you can see what my car's got to get out of. Got it running now. Yeah, not too bad amount of snow still. No end in sight, I don't think. So let that warm up a little bit. I bet you it'll pull right out of there with them snow tires. It's not bad. I don't know about driving normal, but my hand's cold. Sorry. Camera's getting covered in snow too. Ain't a good thing. Oh well. Little winter wonderland. Should have put the Christmas lights on. Yeah, that's super redneck. Middle of February. You can see the birds don't care. They're more concerned about the noises the truck makes than me. I think they know I'm here to give them food, especially the doves. They usually just run away when they. What the heck's he doing? That's weird. Guess he thought he wasn't up all the way. You can hear that hydraulic pump whine from here. Scenes of the winter wonderland. All my forum buddies that live around here, they're getting worse than me, I think. Especially, yeah, well, guys like Alice and whatnot. Yeah, there you go. The wind's coming in. It's gonna make snow blowing even more enjoyable. Cab helps, but the prevailing wind is this direction, so when I was doing his driveway, it flew right all over me. Cold. Alright, well, there you go. I'll see if I can turn it off and close.